Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spots in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video descriptions. Today I will talk to you about Rinku Town and Rinku Premium Outlets. Rinku Town is in the south part of Osaka near Kansai International Airport. It is a fun place for shopping and sightseeing. The most famous spot is the Rinku Premium Outlets. It is one of the biggest outlet malls in Western Japan. There are about 250 shops with many popular Japanese and international brands. The mall looks like a town on the west coast of America. You can enjoy walking and shopping in the open air. In 2023, the mall has renewed. Now it has a better food court and more space for families. Near the mall, there is a walking path along the sea. You can see planes taking off and landing at the airport. The sunset from here is very beautiful. You can also ride the big ferries wheel called Rinku no Hoshi. It gives you a great view of the area. It is easy to go to Rinku Town. You can walk from Rinku Town station on the JR or Nankai line. It's also close to Kansai Airport, so you can visit before or after your flight. Rinku Town is a good place to enjoy shopping, food, and nice views. Please visit when you come to Osaka. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.